Hey, what's up guys, V here. So today we're going to be checking out the Sony WH-XB400 Extra bass. Little earbuds here. They're not the wireless, truly wireless, but they have they hang around your neck. It's sort of like these LG Tone Infinims here. I did a video back in the day on these not too long ago actually. I've been having problems. So the first pair I had a problem with it splitting here, and it seems like they haven't resolved that issue. So right here there's a crack, and also this part here broke off. They just haven't been really sturdy. I mean, the retractor and everything, I thought that would go out before anything, you know, but I mean, it's held true. You know, the sound great and it connects fine. It's just this problem that they have here, and they add this piece, and I don't know if that's what it is. But anyway, I thought I'd try another pair here. Plus these, the sound's cutting out, and so today we're going to be unboxing these. So give me a minute. We'll be right back. Please take time right now to subscribe if you haven't. Like the video. Be right back. Okay guys, I am back. So I had to go to top-down view, just a better view. So here's the box. The earbuds inside. Let's go ahead and take these out. So yeah, here, maybe you can get a better look at these here. So with the Tone Infinims, they're just broken all up, and I mean, it had to be within like 6 months of me even shooting a video, well, or after having it. So let's go ahead and bust these open. Yeah, and I find it, with the Tone Infinum, they're really comfortable on the neck, and they kind of sit. And with these are more hanging, so I'm interested in to see like the comfort. So there we go. Have the instructions and everything. That's all that's in the box. So here they are. These clasp together. My friend has the Bose ones. Yeah, the magnet's kind of, I don't know, it's not very strong. And then when they're hanging around your neck, they clasp together. I'll flip the video around so you can see it here in a second. But here they are. Here's your, it's like your brains here of the unit. All the Wi-Fi stuff and Bluetooth, volume up and down rocker, power button, pairing button, charge port here. It is, oh, it's USB Type-C. So that's great. They updated those. I'm a big fan of all Sony products. They have really good quality usually. So that's about it. I'm gonna flip the video around and let you see these on. Let you see how they look. I'll be right back in a second. All right guys, back around. So here they are. And on these they do again have the little labels for left and right. If you can see them, there's the left and the right. One's blue, one's red. And then you just kind of clasp them on. They kind of just hang like that. So I do remember the magnet thing. I know I mentioned it being a concern. My friend's magnet on his Bose, they're really tight. I mean, the magnets are really strong. And it was a concern of mine when I was looking at his. So I was like, Sony makes really good products usually, so I'll just take my chances. So anyhow, I mean, they feel pretty comfortable on the neck. Let me know what you guys think. Would you prefer the wireless, truly wireless earbuds, or the hanging, or if you prefer even like these as opposed to these? Let me know. I will have a review up on these. You know, it's going to be a short review on the sound and everything once I get a chance to try them out. So if you do like my content, please like, comment, subscribe. This is V. I'm out.